Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start trading with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To start trading with Robinhood, first, download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. After your email is verified, provide your personal details, including your full name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to enter your social security number for identity verification. Once your information is submitted, review and accept Robinhood's terms and conditions. Next, link your bank account to facilitate deposits and withdrawals. To do this, select Transfer and follow the prompts to connect your bank account securely. After linking your bank account, fund your Robinhood account by transferring money. Choose the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. Once your funds are available, explore the app's user interface to familiarize yourself with its features. You can search for stocks by entering their ticker symbols or company names in the search bar. When you find a stock you are interested in, tap on it to access more detailed information. Review relevant data, such as stock performance, historical data, and analyst ratings. To place a trade, select the Trade button on the Stocks page. Decide whether you want to buy or sell shares and enter the number of shares you wish to trade. Choose a limit order if you want to set a specific price to buy or sell, or opt for a market order to execute immediately at current market prices. After confirming the trade details, tap Review to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, hit Submit to complete your trade. Monitor your portfolio regularly to track your investments and adjust your strategies as needed. Stay informed about market news and trends to make better trading decisions. Utilize Robinhood's resources, such as in-app tutorials and articles, to enhance your trading knowledge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.